Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. This video is about eigenvalues and eigenvector for 3 by 3 matrix. For finding eigenvalue, first we have to write the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation for 3 by 3 matrix is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0, where s1 is equal to sum of the diagonal elements, s2 is equal to sum of the minors of the leading diagonal elements, s3 is equal to determinant of the given matrix. Step 2, to find the eigenvalues. We have to find the roots of the characteristic equation. After finding eigenvalues, we have to find eigenvectors. For finding eigenvectors, we have to solve the equation a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0 for the different values of lambda. The given problem is a 3 by 3 matrix. We have to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector. Step 1, we have to find the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation for 3 by 3 matrix is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0. S1 is equal to sum of the diagonal elements. Here the diagonal elements are 2, 1 and minus 3. S1 is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 3. So S1 is equal to 0. S2 is equal to sum of the minors of the leading diagonal elements. For the first diagonal element, the minors are 1, 1, 2, minus 3. 1, 1, 2, minus 3 plus. For the second diagonal element, the minors are 2, 0, minus 7, minus 3. 2, 0, minus 7, minus 3. For the third diagonal element, the minors are 2, 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 2, 1. For the first minor, you have to omit first row, first column. For the second minor, you have to omit second row, second column. For the third minor, you have to omit third row, third column. This is equal to 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 2 into 1 is minus 2. Plus 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 7 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. S2 is equal to minus 13. S3 is determinant of the given matrix. This is equal to 2 into 1, 1, 2 minus 3. First one 2 into 1, 1, 2 minus 3. You have to omit first row, first column. Then minus 2. Here you have to omit first row, second column. So 2, 1, minus 7, minus 3 plus 0 into, for the third one you have to omit first row, third column. 2, 1, minus 7, 2. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 7 into 1 is plus 7. Plus 0. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. Minus of minus 7 is plus 7. S3 is equal to minus 12. The characteristic equation is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 is equal to 0. Where s1 is equal to 0, s2 is equal to minus 13, S3 is equal to minus 12. Therefore, the characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 0 lambda square minus 13 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. Step 2 to find the eigenvalues. The characteristic equation is lambda cube minus 13 lambda plus 12 is equal to 0. The given problem is a 3 by 3 matrix. So we get a third degree characteristic equation. We need to find 3 eigenvalues. For finding eigenvalues, we have to find the roots of the characteristic equation. For finding the first root, you have to substitute the values one by one starting from 1. If the value satisfies this equation, means we can say that that particular value is one root of this equation. You have to try with the values 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, etc. Till it satisfies, you have to substitute the values one by one. Let me start with 1. When lambda is equal to 1, I substitute 1 in the place of lambda. 1 cube minus 13 into 1 plus 12. This is equal to 1 minus 13 plus 12. Minus 13 plus 13 is equal to 0. When lambda is equal to 1, we get 0. This implies that lambda is equal to 1 satisfies this equation. So we can say that lambda is equal to 1 is one root. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1 is one root. We have to find 2 more roots. For that, you have to reduce the third degree equation into second degree equation. Divide the characteristic equation by 1. Use synthetic division. You have to divide the characteristic equation with 1. You put 0 here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So, you will get minus 12. Minus 12 into 1 is minus 12. This is 0. To reduce third degree equation into second degree equation, we use synthetic division. This can be written as 1 into lambda square plus 1 into lambda minus 12 is equal to 0. From this we can find 2 more roots. This is quadratic in lambda, so we can use the formula lambda is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Lambda is equal to b value is 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4, a value is 1 and c value is minus 12 divided by 2 into 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 48 divided by 2. So, lambda is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 49 divided by 2. Root 49 is nothing but 7. So, lambda is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 7 by 2. So, lambda is equal to minus 1 plus 7 by 2, comma, minus 1 minus 7 by 2. So, lambda is equal to 6 by 2, comma, minus 8 by 2. So, lambda is 3, comma, minus 4. So, the eigenvalues are lambda is equal to 1, 3 and minus 4. The eigenvalues are 1, 3, minus 4. Step 3, to find the eigenvector. For that we have to solve a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. A is your given matrix, I is unit matrix. A matrix is 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus lambda into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. X value is x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0. 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus operate lambda inside, lambda 0, 0, 0 lambda 0, 0, 0 lambda. Outside you put x1, x2, x3. This is equal to 0, 0, 0. This can be written as 2 minus lambda, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus lambda, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus lambda. You take this as number 1. Case 1, lambda is equal to 1. Substitute lambda is equal to 1 in equation 1. We get 2 minus 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus 1. x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now this can be written as 2 minus 1 is 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 4. x1, x2, x3, 0, 0, 0. We have to find eigenvector for lambda is equal to 1. So for that you have to use the simple rule. For x1 you have to omit first row and first column, that is 0, 1, 2, minus 4. Second term is minus x2. For the second term you have to omit first row, second column, that is 2, 1, minus 7, minus 4. x3. For the third one you have to omit first row, third column. So you write 2, 0, minus 7, 2. 0 into 4 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is 2. This is equal to minus x2. 2 into 4 is minus 8, minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. This is equal to x3. 2 into 2 is 4, minus 7 into 0 is 0. For lambda is equal to 1, the eigenvector is x1 is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 4. Case 2, lambda is equal to 3. Substitute lambda is equal to 3 in equation 1. 3, 2, 0, 2, 1 minus 3, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus 3. x1, x2, x3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 2, 0, 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3 is minus 6. x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now we have to find x1, x2, x3 values. For x1, you have to omit first row and first column, that is minus 2, 1, 2, minus 6. This is equal to minus x2. For x2, you have to omit first row, second column, and you write the remaining 2, 1, minus 7, minus 6. Minus 7, minus 6. And for the third one, you have to omit first row, third column. 2, minus 2, 7, minus 7, 2. 2 into minus 6 is plus 12, minus 2 into 1 is 2. This is equal to minus x2. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12, minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. This is equal to x3. 2 into 2 is 4, minus 7 into minus 2 is 14. Now all the three values divisible by 5. So the simplest form is x1 by 2, negative sign getting cancelled, x2 by 1 and x3 by minus 2. For lambda is equal to 3, the eigenvector x2 is equal to 2, 1, minus 2. When lambda is equal to minus 4. Substitute lambda is equal to minus 4 in equation 1. We get 2 minus of minus 4, 2, 0, 2, 1, minus of minus 4, 1, minus 7, 2, minus 3, minus of minus 4, x1, x2, x3, 0, 0, 0. Now this can be written as 6, 2, 0, 2, 5, 1, minus 7, 2, 1. x1, x2, x3, this is equal to 0. Now we have to find x1, x2, x3 values. For x1 you have to omit first row, first column and you write the remaining 5, 1, 2, 1, minus x2. For x2 you have to omit first row, second column and you write the remaining 2, 1, minus 7, 1. 2, 1, minus 7, 1. For x3 you have to omit first row, third column and you write the remaining 2, 5, minus 7, 2. 2, 5, minus 7, 2. Now this can be written as x1 divided by 5 into 1 is 5 minus 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to minus x2 divided by 2 into 1 is 2 minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. x3 is 2 into 2 4 minus 7 into 5 is minus 35. x1 by 3 minus x2 by 9 and x3 by 39. All the values are divisible by 3. 1 into 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 13 into 3 is 39. So the simplest form is x1 by 1, x2 by minus 3 and x3 by 13. For lambda is equal to minus 4, the eigenvector is x3 is equal to 1, minus 3 and 13. For finding eigenvector, first you have to write the characteristic equation. Then you have to find the roots of the characteristic equation. After finding the roots, you have to solve a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. You will get eigenvector. Hope you all understand. Thank you for watching.